Panda. I get broads in Atlanta, chasing dope lean and shit, sipping fountain. Credit cards in the sky, wake up and snatch shit, that designer, whole bunch of ladder shit. They be acting rats, I don't be clapping shit. I be pulling up stuff in the finest shit. I got plenty of stuff with Bugatti, but look how I try this shit. Legacies, fountain, why is he killing no comma? Pop a perk, I got stunning gorilla, they come and kill you with bananas from Philippines in Atlanta. Chasing dope lean in the fountain, credit cards in the scammers, hitting no licks in the banner. Legacies, fountain, why is he look like a panda? Going out like